Hello everyone, my name is Kevin, and welcome to the RAMShard server tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to easily set up your Bungeecord server network in under 60 seconds. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your Spigot servers, and then go to the Files drop-down tab, click on Setup, and then on the Setup page you'll see a drop-down box. Go ahead and click on that and click on Configure for Spigot in Bungeecord, then click Apply. And after you apply, you're going to go ahead and restart your server. And then you also want to do the same process on your second Spigot server. Then when you go back to the home page of your control panel, click Restart. And once you do that, go to your Bungeecord server, click on Files, FTP file access, and then click Log In. You want to go to your config.yml file in there, and you want to copy this right here, and then paste it in. And you want to go ahead and grab your IP address for your other two servers. And then click Save. After you click Save, go back to the home page, and then click Restart on your server. And that is how you easily get a Bungeecord server set up in under 60 seconds. And if that has helped out, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.